How to format a Samsung notebook. Hey guys, alright? Leonardo Paiva back with another video. Today I'm going to show you the step-by-step process of formatting a Samsung notebook. I'm going to show you here the whole process. That won't use any pen drive or DVD to do the formatting. We're going to take advantage of the system pre-installed on it. It comes with a factory system. We're going to use this system to do the formatting. Before that, I invite you to subscribe to the channel. Here I make various tutorials, always to make it easier for you. So guys, for you to have access to the factory system, you will. When you turn on your notebook, you will press the F4 button until a blue screen appears. I'll stay here pressing. Ready guys, it has already appeared. I'll wait here. The recovery window appeared. Here are the terms I'm going to click on. Agree. I accept. I already know these terms. Here's the first recovery option. There's also backup, factory images, disk copy. You leave it on that first option and it will recover from the factory. Or for a pre-saved image. In this case, I don't want that. I want the factory image from 2014. This option here warns that if I create a partition, everything will be deleted. I don't want to create any partitions. I'll leave it as off. And down here, if I want to save my files, you can choose the files. Since there aren't any files at all, I'll click off to delete everything. Remember that this procedure deletes all the files from your computer before you start this process. Make a backup, okay? Click OK here and the recovery process will start. The process takes around 10 to 15 minutes. It's a quick process. I'll wait for this process to finish. Done, recovery is complete. I'll click here and it will start restarting to continue the installation. Click OK here and it will start. Here I can choose the region and language. I'm going to choose my country, Brazil in Portuguese language. The keyboard layout in ABNet 2 Brasilia time zone. I'm going to click down here to confirm and next just focus here everyone. It's a little blurry. Click on next. These are the license terms. I already know them. I'm going to click here on accept. You who don't know, it's always good to read. Clicked here on accept. I'm going to start the process of customizing the notebook. I'm going to choose a name for it and a color I will have here. Rosangela, who is a customer. Choose this color. Here I can already connect to a Wi-Fi network. The available networks already appear here. I'm already going to connect and I'm going to click here on the express settings. I've already accepted the express settings. I won't do any additional configuration. Here if I have a Microsoft account I can log in. I'm going to click below on create a new account. I don't know if the client has a Microsoft account. So I'm going to click on this option here, log into a Microsoft account. That later, if she wants, she can enter to sign in with a Microsoft account. I prefer not to enter because it's faster on the computer. Entered the username and password here and re-entered the password to confirm. Is finalizing the process, is starting to install the applications. And that's it, everyone. Formatting a Samsung notebook step by step very quickly. If you have any doubts, put it in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial videos I'm leaving now. A big hug, and I'm out. Thanks.